Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata that has front end noise, rattle guys, going through bumps, potholes, anything like that, you feel that noise, rattle coming from the suspension, we will explain the number one reason for that, and we will explain guys why this Sonata does that, and we're going to explain how to fix it as well. All that will be covered in this video. Make sure you stand till the end. So this should actually work on Hyundai Sonata generation from year 2010 all the way to year 2015 guys. Also, let me introduce you quick to the channel. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get all that from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, and specifically guys on this Hyundai Sonata we'll have more than 300 videos, mechanical videos that will be uploaded on the channel you're watching right now, and we'll have more than 200 electrical videos about diagnostics, fixing electrical components, and that will be posted on our second channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Check it out guys. Everything will be shared so we can guys save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. So this specifically, as you can see right here guys, it's a 2013 Hyundai Sonata, but even if you have a different generation, it will be about the same. Now we have the front end of the car in the air, we remove the wheels, and we want to show you now. When you go through bumps, you have your suspension. We have a special video that explains the top 5 things for front end noise, rattle. But however guys, we'll explain the number one thing that goes bad. You have a special sway bar guys, it's known as a sway bar, that keeps the front end stabilized when you go through sharp curves, or just driving through mountain roads, taking a curve, anything like that. That sway bar is attached to the front shock on the right side of the vehicle and the left side, and this device that connects the sway bar to the shock, it's known as a sway bar link. The number one thing for noise rattle is that device guys. We'll go ahead and remove it and show you why. Make sure you stand till the end. It's very dangerous to keep driving if you have that noise and rattle. Why? Due to the fact guys that actually it can fall off, your car will get really unstable, and you can get in an accident. So definitely replace them. Also, there is a special trick about replacing those, how to make your life much easier, and we have the video on the channel. It's called a sway bar link replacement on Hyundai Sonata, so please check it out. Okay, we need to make sure that we're getting it loose on the other side now. Okay, working on it. Okay, got loose. Now let's pre-loosen that bolt, and we will explain why we have that front end noise and rattle. Perfect. It's almost out guys. So that's the sway bar. Look at it now guys. The seal breaks. When that seal breaks, dirt, water, rust will form inside. That will eat that ball. When it eats it, it develops a play. That little bitty play that could be so little that it's even not noticeable on your Hyundai Sonata can result into noise rattle when you go through bumps, speed bumps, potholes, anything like that. It's super easy to fix guys. Always inspect those and make sure that's not the cause for your noise and rattle. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.